Hello and welcome to this video. What you should know before you take the course. You should have a basic working knowledge of using a computer. You should also have a basic working knowledge of using the internet. Who should take this course? The course is a beginner's course, so anyone who's new to SQL is welcome to this course. Also, anyone who is new to databases in general is also welcome to this course. What you will learn on the course, we will start off by setting up a database environment. So we will install PostgreSQL, which is a relational database management system. We will then connect to the default database for PostgreSQL. Once we've done that, we will learn how to load a sample database. We will move on to creating database and table. We will then learn how to apply constraint to ensure integrity of the data. We will learn how to retrieve data from database table. We'll also learn how to update data. We'll learn how to delete data. We'll also learn how to filter data that is returned from a database table. We'll learn how to sort the data that is returned from the table. We'll learn how to retrieve data using different operator types. We'll also learn how to combine data from multiple tables. We'll learn how to use aggregate functions to manipulate data. The course duration is approximately 6 hours. And the format of the course is video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.